sir, Vedi School of Excellence, grade 6.
Oh, okay, great. This is in Rajaji Nagar, is it?
No, sir, Whitefield.
Oh, okay, cool. Would you like to play whatever what the Janagana Mana which you have done?
Yes, sir.
Can you share your screen and play it?
Yes, sir, just a minute. So, hope you can see my screen.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. So, as it's the first one I've created, it's not so perfect.
Mm-hmm. I think you need external mic. We are not able to hear. Yeah, now we can hear. Yeah. Yeah, I think there is a delay. Or another thing which you can do is you can share the code on WhatsApp. I can play it.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ganesh. Yeah, Ganesh, go ahead.
Sir, there was a problem of Meet on my computer.
Hmm.
It's saying Meet doesn't work on your browser.
Which one?
Firefox.
No, Firefox, it works. I tested. Okay.
Yeah, sir. But in this Firefox, it doesn't working.
Yeah, it works. I have tested. I will show it to you. And then you can share
Okay.
after this, probably tomorrow, you can share the screen. Then I will exactly find out which version of Firefox you're using. Then we'll figure out. But I tested after you told me last week, I tested on Firefox and then I found it working.
Yes, sir. I've made a program on Thorny Python.
Mm-hmm.
I want to show you that.
Okay.
I want to show that you, but the Meet is doesn't working.
No. What you can do is you can take a video on your mobile and share that video.
1 minute, sir. I have just syncing my phone to computer on Firefox.
No problem.
Okay.
In the meantime,
It will take some time.
yeah. From Views BBSR, is it Vidyadhar?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Vidyadhar. So you
Yes, sir.
received the Raspberry Pi today, is it? आज आपने Raspberry Pi receive किया ना? विद्या
जी सर, रिसीव किया, लेकिन उसको इंस्टॉलेशन कैसे करें वो थोड़ा हम जाके देखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ, ठीक है। उसका पिक्चर लेके हमको भेज दीजिए।
हेलो।
व्हाट्सएप कर दीजिए उसको पिक्चर
जी।
क्लिक करके मैं बताता हूँ कौन कहाँ कनेक्ट करना है।
ठीक है सर, वो ऑफिस में है, अभी तो नहीं हो पाएगा, अभी हम घर में हैं। मंडे सर आपको भेज सकते
ठीक
हैं।
है, नो प्रॉब्लम।
जी।
सो एनीवे बहुत सिंपल है। मैं अभी एक बार दिखाता हूँ आपको। आपको ये बॉक्स और ये रास्पबेरी पाई अलग मिला होगा।
जी सर, जी।
या ऐसा मिला होगा सेपरेटली, और एक एसडी कार्ड भी अलग मिला होगा ऐसा। ओके।
जी सर,
ये
जी।
एसडी कार्ड ऐसा या इधर
जी
डालना
सर।
है। वो एसडी कार्ड में पूरा ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल हुआ है। जी। सो इधर सिर्फ इंसर्ट
जी
करना
सर,
है।
लेकिन वो एसडी कार्ड डालने के लिए कोई स्पेस नहीं है।
नो इधर दिख रहा है ना, वो स्टील कलर का कवर, उसके अंदर डालने का है एसडी कार्ड।
जी
बस
सर,
हो
जी,
गया,
जी।
इतना ही है। बाद में इसमें इस कवर में इसको इस SD कार्ड का स्लॉट दिख रहा है ना, इधर पीछे एक छेद दिख रहा है ना, उधर अलाइन करके इधर हल्का से ऐसे डाल दीजिए और एक बार जरा सा पुश कर दीजिए, ऐसे टक करके आवाज आएगा, बाद में इसको क्लोज कर दीजिए, बस हो गया, उतना ही है, अब रेडी हो गया। सिर्फ आप पावर डाल दिया तो वो आ जाएगा। और इधर फर्स्ट टाइम आपको एक मॉनिटर को कनेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको पासवर्ड डालना है। इधर HDMI का दिख रहा है ना पोर्ट, उधर HDMI केबल लगा के उसको मॉनिटर में लगाना है। और इधर ये पावर का है, ये पावर केबल,
हाँ, उसको पावर देना है। जी जी जी, उसको हम
हाँ ये पावर
मतलब
बैंक से
पावर बैंक से
केबल
पावर देंगे।
इधर लगा सकता है ऐसा, देन अदर एंड इसको या पावर
जी
बैंक
जी
में लगा दीजिए,
जी, हो गया जी
बस हो गया। देन पहले पासवर्ड डालने के लिए
जी
कीबोर्ड इधर कनेक्ट करना है, USB दिख रहा है ना, हाँ कीबोर्ड इधर कनेक्ट कर दीजिए, फिर
जी
बूट हो
जी
जाएगा।
जी,
देन बाद में बताता हूँ क्या कैसे पासवर्ड कैसे एंटर करने का,
ठीक
बस
ठीक
10
है,
मिनट में हो जाएगा सेटअप।
ओके सर, ठीक है।
Yeah, Netra, I got your code. Let me just see if I can play that.
Yes, sir.
So how long it took for you to do this, Janagadamana?
Sir, one day because I sat for the whole day.
That's good. This is the first time, no?
Yes, sir. So now recently I'm going through the tutorials provided.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, still I'm in Sins.
Okay, okay. That's good.
Like last time Chetna explained, so I got a clear idea like what actually how it works. So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's good. Good evening, Geeta ma'am. You are muted. I think your microphone is muted. We are not able to hear you.
Yeah. How are you? Thank you so much for doing this, Kiran sir.
You're most welcome. Yeah, I'm really excited that more and more people are adopting technology now.
Yes, it's wonderful, and you are encouraging them in such wonderful ways. I'm most grateful.
Thank you.
Yeah, our team is quite excited, and it's great that they can do offline servers and use Khan Academy and other programs. I think that's also
Yeah, that opens up a lot of new possibility.
yeah.
For example, they can set it up in their NGO where internet is there and give it to place where they don't.
Yeah, with a USB or anyway.
That's true.
Yeah. So will you be demonstrating that also today?
Yeah, I could have done that if they had. I just showed them how to set it up. I think they have the Raspberry Pi in their office. Yeah, today I will show Colibri. Colibri I have installed on Raspberry Pi. I will show.
Thank you. Looking forward.
Yeah. I want to just show one music which is composed by one 6th standard girl, Netra. I'll just show it to you. Yeah, while Sonic Pi is booting, is there any other questions? Anybody? Okay, let me just bring up my Raspberry Pi. Hi, Durvankar. Good evening. Yeah, I hope Netra, are you able to see my Raspberry Pi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, this is the Raspberry Pi 4, which I have loaded. Let me just show for the benefit of others how the Sonic Pi looks like, where you have coded. Okay. So this is Sonic Pi, and the code created by Netra is this one. Let me pick it up again. So if you look at it, by any chance, do you have the piano notes, Netra?
Uh, no, sir. Like I have one of the video from where like I did it.
Yeah,
So
can
I
you
can
just
share
share
the
it?
link.
Yeah,
Just a
if
minute, sir.
yeah, send it. So yeah, for others, those who are seeing, so it is as simple as this. For example, this first line Janaganamana is just the name, just for documenting. When you put hash, you can write any free text here. And this is the where you are setting up beats per minute. She has used 85, and she is using the synth, the instrument as DPulse. So there are hundreds of synths available, so you can produce any sound. And play C, this is as good as pressing some any of the keys. For example, this is the regular key, and if you put S in front, it plays C sharp, and B is the black key. So like this, with just this, you can produce C, three types of sounds with just one syllable C, then D, E, like that. So I will just show you how this corresponds to the actual piano notes. If anybody is familiar with playing any music, either on the keyboard or on the piano, you can easily correlate, and there is no mapping required. For example, if the piano note says play C, you directly put one colon and C here. That's as straightforward as this. Okay. While we locate the piano notes, let me also show you the Colibri part. Okay, I have installed Colibri here. To install Colibri, it's in Raspberry Pi. Once you boot, this is the landing page, and you get into the terminal here, which the black window which you are seeing here. Once you click, another terminal window opens here. Then all you need to do is this command: pip install Colibri. That's it. It will install Colibri. You do not have to do anything. As long as you're connected to internet, depending on your internet speed, for me it took just about 5 minutes to install it. Probably if it is slightly slow, it might take 10 minutes, but there is no other intervention required. So it will completely install. Then once it is installed successfully, you will come to start the server. You will just say this command Colibri start. That's it. It starts and gives this message. Since I already started here, it is giving me, it is running in the background in the following IP address. Okay, if I am I have the option, if the Raspberry Pi is not on any network, then you can play that locally here. This 127.0.0.1 is the local address. Let me just play that. Now I'm running directly on Raspberry Pi. Then I will also run on my laptop, to which I'm connected through network. So as it is given here, all I have to do is just start typing 127.0.0.1 and colon 8080. That's it. Once you press enter, then Colibri screen should come up. Okay. As of now, I have installed Khan Academy English CBSC. So that's why this tile is being shown. Otherwise, you can search here. Once you search, there are a lot of channels, you will get it. Then you can install it. That's a one-time thing. Now let's just explore this. Okay, there again, you can install depending on your requirement, whichever standard you want. I had downloaded math, I think 9th standard, 9th or 10th. Let me just see. So yeah, class 10 maths, I think I had only the quadratic equations. So once you get in there, then you will see the videos as well as the quizzes which are related to this. It has downloaded. So you can view it as normally as you see directly on Khan Academy site. Okay. Now let me show you the same thing by running on my laptop, where it had shown by the IP address this one, 192.168.1.134. Again, this is only in my home network. This is not visible outside, since we have configured it as a local server. So now let me open my browser. For that, I'll have to share that again. One second.
If you want to share it freely, would you still configure it as local server?
There, what happens is automatically it configures Raspberry Pi as a server locally, so that then it will give you the IP address of that, like how it is giving me this 1.134, it will give some other number. Again, you don't need any internet or any Wi-Fi router, because Raspberry Pi itself has a Wi-Fi antenna. So each Raspberry Pi at least can support at least about 20 students. If they have a smartphone or other laptop, they can consume the content which is available. And good part is all the telemetry gets logged. Who is using their assessment, or how their performance in the quiz, like how it tracks on Khan Academy directly on the site. So that's the advantage. There's additional advantage which you get through if you use this platform. Now let me take this URL and put it on my laptop. Let me just share this again. Now I will share my laptop window. Yeah, here I have given that IP address 1.134 is the external one. See, it's exactly the same screen I'm getting. Or let me share my entire screen so that I can switch back to Raspberry Pi and show. Yeah, now whatever I do on my screen, you should be able to see. Yeah, this is my laptop, which you are seeing. So this, if you get in, you will get the same thing, Khan Academy. And look at the speed, even though I'm using now, Raspberry Pi is serving this. So it is going so fast. So you can see the icons, the video icons you can see, and the quizzes icons you can see this, exercises. So like that, you can see the same exercise which you see on the Khan Academy site. You are able to get this. Now let me go back to the Raspberry Pi. See, on Raspberry Pi, I can open some totally different thing. Like that means each of the 20 students who are logged into same Raspberry Pi, they can be on some other content. So this is the advantage. So any questions on Colibri? Good part is I also saw Pratham Books is also available. That means Pratham Book is also has excellent content which is in the storytelling mode. So it's also very good content, and it another exciting thing is it's available in most of the Indian languages. Same as Khan Academy and also the FET animations. So it has very good content which is useful. Any questions? Savita madam? Basuraju sir, Nodi, you can even
yeah, which one?
You can even host your content, the
Sir,
physics
is
content as well.
Colibri can be installed.
Oh, ಇದು OBS studio ಅದಲ್ಲ?
OBS ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು Colibri.
Colibri, okay.
Sir, Colibri can get installed in laptop, sir?
Yes, it supports almost all the platforms, Windows. What I showed was on Raspberry Pi, it's Linux. It also supports laptop, Windows, and also Mac, iOS. And it's open source and it's fully free.
So what does Colibri do? Like, what's the function?
Anyway, you might not appreciate because you have free access to internet, right, Netra?
Yes, sir.
Whereas there are millions of children around the world who don't have access to internet. Okay, then for those people, for example, for you, if you want to access sonicpi.net, you will directly go on to internet, or Khan Academy, you will directly go on to internet. Whereas not everybody is so fortunate. This Colibri helps us to get the content which is available on internet. For example, when you go to internet or YouTube, let's say, you search for that this Janaganamana video which you just shared me. Now, instead of playing on YouTube, I can host it on Raspberry Pi and give it to the children in the villages.
Oh, okay, sir. I got it. Thank you.
Okay, look at the power, right? This $25 device or 3,000 rupees device. Okay, look at the power. This is acting as a server. This is a full-fledged CPU. This is what I was showing the entire Khan Academy content just now. I played from another piece which I have connected.
Okay, sir.
So
thank you.
This will help the children around the world, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and let me also show you another exciting thing. This is not a poor man's computer. Let me show how rich it is. We have created a full-fledged professional portal for our consumption, for our technology learning in Infosys. Let me just show you that. Let me connect to another Raspberry Pi. I have connected 2 Raspberry Pis on my network. Let me switch to another one. Okay, what you see is another Raspberry Pi. Now let me just go here and show you. Look at how smooth is this one. Okay, look at this. This professional looking portal is being served on Raspberry Pi. Now, if I click this, look at how smoothly it rolls down and opens up the next level of menu, which is okay. Now this is showing me, now I can click like how you can click. This is also responsive, by the way. You can also access on your mobile phone. Okay. Now, if I click on data science will scroll up and stand. If I click on Internet of Things will come in. And AI, artificial intelligence. Okay. And then digital. Okay. So like this, now we have also created some video, hosted some videos here for machine learning. If I click here, immediately the video will start playing. Okay, now look at it. This is directly on Raspberry Pi. Now I will play the same thing on my laptop. That means I'm going to use Raspberry Pi as the server. Again, this need not have to be on internet. This Raspberry Pi is acting like a local server. Look at this. Suddenly it came so fast. Okay, this is our Mysore campus. This actual photograph which you are seeing. So like this, each again, if 20 of us are connected, each of us can view different videos. Look at this. This is a 2 hours video, and it starts streaming immediately. So that means you are not compromising anything either on speed or on the quality. And this all happening through this $25 device.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh. Yeah, go ahead.
Can you please tell me how to access the Raspberry Pi to the internet?
Yeah, I will demonstrate to
Hello?
you tomorrow. Okay.
I can't hear you, sir.
Yeah, it's because of your bandwidth issue. I will demonstrate to you tomorrow, because now not everybody is having Raspberry Pi with them.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, I think there are at least 8 or 10 more people who have just got the Raspberry Pi. I will call all of you together. Then we can go together go through the steps one by one. I will also show how do you connect to your mobile hotspot, where you can connect to the Raspberry Pi to internet through your mobile hotspot. That's one option. Another option is you can even configure Raspberry Pi itself as a hotspot. If you don't need internet, you can make it as a local hotspot. And about 20 computers or 20 mobile phones in any location or a school, you can connect to same Raspberry Pi. Okay, any questions either on Colibri or?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I don't know how to install Colibri on Raspberry Pi.
I just showed, no? Pip install Colibri.
No, sir, I didn't see it because of my network issue.
Yeah, I will send the commands. It's very easy. That's all the command you need to fire. There is no other command.
Okay.
Pip
Sir,
space.
can you please send that command on WhatsApp?
Yeah, I will send it on WhatsApp. But you don't need Colibri, because unnecessarily it will occupy space. Colibri is useful in the school. Sharda ma'am can set it up in the school and give it to all the students. Whereas you as an individual student, you don't need Colibri because you can access directly internet. Wherever you have internet, you can go and access the internet.
Okay.
Colibri will help you only to set up local server.
Okay.
Okay, now let me just play the video which Netra has shared.
Sir, like you can decrease the speed because it's quite fast.
No problem. Which user ID did you use? I saw YouTube video, YouTube link.
Yes, sir.
You sent it through the Nutan's number only, or you use some other number?
Sir, my mom's.
Yeah, but I'm seeing only the code, but
No, sir, I sent it in the chat box. Sorry.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me share my screen again so that all of you can see. दोस्तों अगर दिल में कोई गीत हो लबों से Yeah, as you see, it is coming. First, C is getting played, then D is getting played.
And then like many E's are being played and it's followed.
Yeah, now let me show you another one which has, instead of video, you can easily search like this. Let me just go and search for Janaganamana piano notes. Okay, so if you just do this, let me pick the first one which I'm seeing here. Yeah, even this is also good. Let me see if there's anything. So like this here, you can see the full picture directly. So you can go step by step. Let me just. So this is one way, or you can also go back to this ones. Yeah, this one is easier to code. Let me just save this. So like this, C sharp, D sharp, FFF, FFF. This so this corresponds to. Let me just go back to the Sonic Pi. Okay, now let me get that also side by side. Yeah, if you look at it, it starts with C sharp, D sharp, and whereas she has used C and D. To make it C sharp, all Netra you have to do is put an S in front. So DS, and then instead of F, you have used E. So you can that this is also fine. Then you can also you can also check how this sounds, whether E or F.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay. So any questions? Anybody who would like to explore Sonic Pi? This is as simple as this. You can see the first stanza here, where Janaganamana Adhinayaka Jai Hai, and you can see the code. It is not complicated at all, and there is no other process. All you have to do is click and run here. Then it will make this a very interesting music. Let me just show you how melodious it will sound. It was done by another student, Meghna, 8th standard student. Let me just play that.
Kiran,
Yeah, go ahead.
are you sharing your screen? I'm not
Yes.
sure about other. I can't see your screen.
1 second. Let me share again. Are you able to see my screen, Shanam?
No, not yet. Maybe let me just log out and log in again. I'm not able to share.
Netra, you are
I don't
able
know
to see
about
it. Are you able to see, Netra?
Yes, sir, I'm able to see.
Okay, then let me just log out and log in again.
Sure.
So, yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, Ganesh.
I've just shared images of my program that I've made on Thorny Python.
Mm-hmm.
So please see it and tell me which is wrong and right.
Okay,
Sure,
I can see it now. Okay, good. Thank you.
Yeah. So, yeah, Ganesh, let's finish this conversation. Sonic Pi, anybody has any doubts?
No.
Okay. So now let's close this for a while.
Sir, I actually had a question about Sonic Pi. So now, if you have a chorus in the background, so if you play piano or something like that, you can play other notes simultaneously. Can you do that on Sonic Pi?
Yeah. Let me just show you how.
Okay.
Yeah. Now look at this. On Sonic Pi, there are 9 channels available. Okay, that means the 9 things can go together.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that means you can code every instrument. Anyway, this all since it is code, it is possible to do parallel coding as well. Okay, whether it's chorus or whether it is any other instrument, drums, etc.
Okay,
so there are several ways available, and I will also share a lot of help videos available. And I had also shared with you a lot of YouTube videos. No, let me just play one of them, and then you can see how interesting this can get. For example, let me just directly go on to the Sonic Pi site itself.
Sir, and when I was checking out the Sonic Pi tutorials in the Sonic Pi site, so I saw something like Minecraft Pi. So any information on that?
Yeah, was it useful?
No, sir. Like I did not go through.
Okay. Yeah, go through and let me know if you have any question. Now let me play this music. let me play some complicated one. Durankar, was it this one were you asking?
Yes, sir.
Look at this. It looks like a professional orchestra, right?
Yes.
Okay, look at the code. That's all the code. And this they are doing in single track. Now imagine if we are able to use all 9 tracks, you can do, yeah, there's absolutely nothing to stop you to do full-fledged orchestra by even a big team. Okay, you explore and let me know. And yeah, a lot of students have done very interesting coding. Let me just see if I can get Meghna's code. Nutan, are you able to see my screen? I have displayed Janagramana again. Nutan, are you there?
Cannot see your screen.
Okay.
We can't see your screen.
No, sir, not
Okay,
yet. We can't see your screen.
Let me share again. Yeah, are you able to see?
Now we can see. We can see now.
Yes, sir. Now we can see.
Yeah, can you see the
Can
Sonic
see
Pi
now.
code as well?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me get it to a full. Okay, yeah. Now look at this, how melodious this sounds. Now Meghna, sorry, Netra, you can see she has used B3 and DB4. You can check with her. Tomorrow she will join.
Yes, sir.
What is this difference? Look at how melodious this sounds.
Sir, if possible, can you send this code to
Sure,
me?
sure. We'll do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, now let me play this. So like this, you can, yeah, there's only where imagination is the limit. I don't think there is anything else will stop. Okay, any other questions? I think Dr. Savita, you had asked about how to evaluate on the Google Classroom, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me just go there. Yeah, let me just go to Google Classroom.
India connect ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ವಿಷ್ಣು India connect ಆಗಲ್ಲ
Is there any specific doubt, ma'am, Savita ma'am? Because this is how I had done and done this sample evaluation.
Online evaluation I want that I want to know how to do.
No, I didn't get you. Can you repeat?
Online evaluation, sir. How to do online evaluation? Whatever PDF they have sent, no, sir. That one.
No. That you have to do manually only.
Manually only. Only online
then,
questions. If you are sending any link, only it can be
here,
done.
here I have defined this rubric. So if I select this rubric, it will give allocate the points accordingly.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So this advantage of this method is this will bring consistency. Whereas if they submit a PDF and then you do it offline, that's actually called offline evaluation. Then there is subjectivity will come in depending on your mood or depending on something. Then it might not be consistent.
Okay.
Whereas even those things you can define the rubric. So how you can define when you say it is out of 5, if they have to get 5 out of 5, what conditions should be met? Then you can even allocate to your peers as well.
Rubrics, sir. Can you tell me, sir?
What is that?
How to set the rubrics like for this? Just can you tell me, sir?
Yeah, you can define this. I had only created grade A, grade B, grade C. So you can you can define any grades, whether you want 5 grades, you can define.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, it's very straightforward. All menu driven. Okay. Anybody else has any question?
No, sir.
Has anybody used the poll everywhere? Any Sharda ma'am, are you there in the call?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Bharati, sir.
Yeah, Bharati ma'am.
Sir, I want to know about mind map. How can we do in Microsoft Office, Windows 10?
Microsoft Office, I don't remember. Anyway, the PPT itself has gives a lot of options.
Okay.
For example, any particular mind map which you are looking at?
Yeah, I'm about concept quadrilaterals.
No, okay. Let me
Like,
just open
yeah.
PowerPoint.
Okay.
Again, when you are using PowerPoint, you can also.
So there is.
Yeah, somebody was telling something.
Yeah, sir. So I was saying there is this website called Mind Map. So you can make mind maps there. So that is very helpful if you're making mind maps for your students or someone like that.
No, are you talking about PowerPoint?
No, sir.
Yeah, that's
it's a other website.
Yeah, don't worry. There are hundreds of them. Let's go one by one. Last time we explored Jamboard, which is Google Jamboard is a powerful tool. Okay, let me just show you. Yeah, Bharti ma'am, in
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint, you have if you use open through this template also gives you a lot of interesting combination, color combinations, etc. But when you because this shapes also gives a lot of these things which are useful for mind mapping.
Okay.
For example, let me just start with a new thing. Let me start a new slide. Okay. So now let's say we insert the shapes. For
Okay.
example, we will do this and we will again insert shapes, triangles or rectangle. Then look at it, how nicely you can connect them. Insert shapes again. In this connection is this single arrow, double arrow, etc. Now look at it. So like this, it gives you. Then you can also use it to bifurcate. Insert shapes. Or this is one way, and also insert. You can also insert smart art.
Okay.
Look at this is very powerful hierarchy if you are bringing. So like this, then the entire organization structure or decision making structure, etc. Okay, here you can headmaster, PT. So like this, you can go on doing. And this also advantages if you crunch, it will also take care of all adjusting the fonts, position, everything. Okay, in smart art there are various things. Okay, pyramid, relationship. So like this, whatever you need in your mind map, you can get it.
Okay, sir.
If you are shortlisting the ideas, you can represent through this. So your imagination is the limit.
Okay.
Okay. Whereas in Jamboard, if you go,
yeah.
Anyway, that's free. Why this Office? Anyway, you need Office, whereas Jamboard is free. Let me open Jamboard. Jamboard.google.com.
Okay.
So here, yeah, it gives a lot of interesting options where you can just do this, and also you can do. Let me just see. So this allows you to create sticky notes, and you can drag this and position everywhere. And it takes care of adjusting the fonts, everything.
Okay. Can type in Kannada also, sir?
Yeah, but you have to use
No,
for example, no, you can take from this input tools. Then you have to copy paste.
Okay.
Here, and yeah, you can type it here. So, and you can do freehand drawing. So like this, and then there is Smart Art also available. Let me just see where did it go. If you are using your tablet or mobile phone, then it also allows you to freely write this like this. If you draw, it will properly convert into this triangle or rectangle, and you can insert a lot of pictures. You can select and upload.
Okay.
So your imagination is the limit.
Okay, sir.
Okay, another powerful this one is which we are using in office is this Miro. Let me just show you how it looks. Look at how powerful this gets. Now I can freely zoom it. For example, this I can just show you. So look at this. This consists of some 20 or 30 screens. Okay, which you are seeing it here. Now I can go and see one by one, and I can freely zoom it. For example, now let me start with the front landing page, which we have done. So like this, now what I'm showing you is our landing page.
Okay.
Okay, and then this is the second page. Okay, and if I want to zoom and see something else, I can just quickly go here and look at it. These are the discussion notes which we have made.
Okay.
So like this, it can get so powerful. Now this is a huge initiative which we are doing. So like this, then this is another meeting which we did, and look at everything. I can just drag it then and there.
Okay.
Sir, is this like a Jamboard?
Yeah, this is much more powerful than Jamboard.
Okay.
Look at it. I had, and you can directly capture the websites and all. This I had captured the Ministry of HRD website, and look at the statistics. They maintain it almost real time. There are 15 lakh schools in India. 94. These are actual numbers. Pardon?
What is this called?
Miro. You are seeing on the left top, no? MIRO, Miro.
Miro.
Ha.
Thank you.
And these are actual statistics in India. Look at this. We have 247 million students and 94 lakh teachers. This is directly from MHRD, Ministry of HRD. And look at the performance dashboard. Everything they maintain it real time. Enrollment ratio, dropout rate. So they're good to know how transparently they are keeping and making it available to the public.
Sir, I have a question. How to use this? Is this like functions like a Jamboard?
Yes. I'm showing you the Jamboard only. No, this is basically, if you want, this is all related to one mega initiative which we are doing. Look at this. Now I can get the bigger picture, right? What all has happened. Now, if this is confusing, I can go basically day by day or screen by screen. Like this, I can go I can, what I'm clicking is on the left side. It is the page view which I'm getting. So it neatly positions. And look at it, this free, it allows me to write on it. For example, if I click this pen tool, I can type and do this. Okay, then it also gives me the smart drawing option. Now I can do this smart drawing. For example, I can do this. It immediately changes into formal things. Then if I'm using a tablet, then I can write it freehand, even the text. Then I can change the color and all these things. And good part is I can give access to all of you and we can do it together.
Okay. Yes, sir.
And each one of us can divide the work. For example, one of you can do this flow chart, and I can be working on this the things to do, and somebody else can be working on the screen design. All of us can be working on the same board, and it will also show who is working on what, and it will not get overwritten. So like this, again, this is a commercial product, and anyway, they will also give you the free usage. In the free usage, only 3 boards you can have at any time active. But that's good enough, I think, for our usage. And in free version, it won't allow you to multi-party editing. If it allows, then it will become public. You cannot have it exclusive. You cannot have it private. So otherwise, this has very useful features, and you can export this into PDF if you want to share it, or if you want to share it by WhatsApp, you can just share the link.
Okay.
So that's the advantage.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, my advice is use whatever is comfortable for you. If you are comfortable with PowerPoint, you continue. There's nothing wrong there, because here it is nothing about the tool. It's about again the necessity. In this case, why we had to use Miro is this is a much larger initiative which we are doing, and there are hundreds of people who will be working on this. So that's why we went for that. Otherwise, even Google Jamboard is also an excellent tool. And another, so if you keep exploring, it will become overwhelming. So until you get comfortable, and most of them are similar. For example, I can do same thing even in PowerPoint, but only thing is the number of clicks will increase even in PowerPoint, whereas here these people gives very smoothly. Otherwise, I don't. Technically, most of them are similar.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir?
go ahead.
Is it necessary for the students to download this Miro or the Jamboard, or just we can see send them
Yeah.
the
If
link?
they are connected to internet, they can directly use it on internet.
Okay, they have no need to install that.
Only if they are using mobile, I think
Online.
they insist you to install the app. But anyway, it's free. Otherwise, on laptop and desktop, if you are using, you don't need any app. You can directly go on the browser. Similar to Meet, right? Even Google Meet, if you are using on mobile, you need the app. Otherwise, on desktop, you can directly come on browser.
I'm using laptop for the class, but my students are joined with mobile. So is it possible for them if I use your Jamboard?
I recommend you to use Jamboard and let them install the Jamboard app. Anyway, it's free. It's a one-time installation. Let them do it.
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, good information, sir. Then another question is there, sir. Sir, in Linux Mint is there no, sir? Ubuntu. Yeah, in that one there we have to install no, sir. This for mind map. Replay.
Actually, now this is Linux. What you're seeing is Linux. Now let me show
Okay.
you the same thing. It works. There's no difference. For example,
Yeah.
same Jamboard I will get in.
Okay.
Okay, same. I use the same URL. Let me just come here onto Linux. Just a second. Yeah, just open the browser here.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to give the same URL. It's not giving me the access. Okay, let me just. Yes, madam. This is Jamboard on Linux.
Okay.
Linux or Ubuntu, all are same.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Then, sir, another question. How can we give hyperlinks, sir?
Where?
In any means on Word or on PPT.
Yeah. Let me open PPT.
Yeah, one word is there. Click on that word, hyperlink will come like that.
Yeah. I'll show you. On Linux or on Windows?
Windows, anyone, sir.
No, are you using
Yeah,
on
I'm
Ubuntu
using both,
or?
sir. Both,
Okay.
sir. I'm using.
Yeah. Anyway, the technique is the same. Let me just first show you on Ubuntu.
Yeah.
Now let me open this OpenOffice.
Okay.
For example, you have this Impress, which is the PowerPoint equivalent.
Yeah.
Now I will give the same Jamboard link URL onto the PowerPoint, so that when you click on this, the Jamboard should open. Okay. Now I will give the title as Jamboard only.
Okay.
I'll take that URL of the Jamboard.
Yeah.
So this is the URL.
Yeah.
Just right click and copy. So you got the copy. Now come back to this PowerPoint. Now select this.
Okay.
And say insert. Hyperlink should be here. Yeah, here hyperlink.
Okay.
Control K. Then this opens up and give the URL. Paste it here.
Okay.
Click apply. That's it. Okay, now the link is there. You can see my mouse, as soon as I move it, it changes to hand.
Yeah.
And it is showing the hyperlink. Then when I go into the presentation mode, slideshow mode, start from first slide. I click this, then immediately it will open up. Saw that? It's opening. So it's exactly the same even on Windows.
Okay.
Let me just show you on PowerPoint.
Okay.
Now I have come to I'm using Mac, so this iOS, so exactly the same. Now we have come back here. Now here I will just say Jamboard.
Okay.
Then select this. Again, I can hit Control K.
Okay.
So that it opens up this web page or URL and paste that. Let me get the Jamboard link. just say that's it. You can see that it became blue and underlined. No?
Okay.
Then when you go to slideshow and click here, and it opens up.
Okay, sir.
So, yeah, very easy and straightforward.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, I'm using 18.04 in Ubuntu, sir. Kannada is different, no, sir, compared to 16.04.
What is different?
Kannada means Kannada writing, typing
Kannada,
is different, no, sir?
anyway, how do you
Yeah.
type? For example, anyway, for all my typing, I go through internet, Google Translate.
Okay.
For example, input tools dot.
Yeah. Kannada, for Kannada
Yeah, I will type
means
Kannada. I will type
K.
Kannada. For
Okay,
example.
K. Yeah.
One nimsham with barley.
Yeah.
ನೋಡಿ ಕಂಸನ ವಧೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಫಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ ತಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರೀತಿನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಬರ್ತಾನ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ಕೊಲ್ಲಿನ ಕಡೆ ಕೈ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ ನೀವು.
Nodi madam, this is on Linux only. I am able to type.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So, what was your question? Are you using any specific software, Nudi or something?
No, sir. In this one 18.04 Ubuntu, sir. The layout is different, sir. For means in 16.04 are in Word, Kannada K, then N F N, then W, no, sir. But in 18.04 that is totally different, sir.
No, anyway, I'm not able to visualize. You have to at least take a screenshot and send me on WhatsApp.
Okay, okay,
so that
sir.
I know what you're talking.
Yeah.
Because I don't see any difference between this, whether Ubuntu or this Raspbian.
Okay.
Other thing could be the font might have to be installed. I will tell you how to install the fonts.
Okay.
Whereas on Raspbian, everything comes installed, but it's easy to install the fonts even on if you don't have it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Anybody else has any question?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, I have a question about that poll everywhere.
Yeah. Tell me, madam.
That do we have to make the slides for that at first to present?
Yes, yes. Let me just quickly demonstrate. It's very easy.
I did the questions, but I don't understand after that what to do and how to.
Yeah. Let me just do a quick poll. Okay. Now, first, let me close all of this. Okay. Now let me go to the slides.google.com. You are seeing my slides, right, madam?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me get into slides. Let me start a new presentation. Okay. This does not have it. Let me. Poll everywhere is here. Okay. Now I click on poll everywhere and say new, insert and activity. Okay. Then I'm telling new activity. What, for example, I want, let's take this multiple choice itself. Okay, now let me call this, what's your favorite subject? So let me give science, social, language, fiction, none of the above. That's it. Now let me just save it and click on insert slides. Okay, now it's inserting that activity which we just created to the Google Slides. Okay, now once I get into the slideshow mode, this poll will be active. Let me just go on to the slideshow mode. Present, click on present. Okay, now, yeah, you see my poll is active. All of you can just go to this site, poll.ev.com/KiranNG223, and you can vote, and you can see the vote directly. I will also come there. Sharda ma'am, can you try?
Yes, sir. pollev.com/KiranNG223. Okay, one person has submitted. Let me know if you have any problems in accessing the site. Sharda ma'am, were you able to access? I'm trying to join Survey. The POWL. Okay.
So second person has responded as language.
Registration म्हणायचंय. Okay.
No, not required. You can skip.
I responded. Did you get it?
I will not know the details yet unless I get into the other admin page. Yeah, I think by the way it is showing, I think multiple people are responding. And there's also option you can clear if you want to revisit. That's also possible. And like in Kaun Banega Crorepati, you can see it at real time. It is refreshing on the screen. Yeah, I think now many people are playing around. That's good. Sharda ma'am, were you able to get in?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, now you can ask me any question. That's all it takes.
Okay.
Good part is this has other interesting options which you should explore. Last time I tried, this one is very easy and straightforward. This is used to gather, for example, now imagine if I had created a question how to set up Raspberry Pi. Okay, then if I walk you through the steps, now if I ask if all of you respond and most of you get it, then I know my class is effective. If only 2 or 3 of you get it, then I know it's not effective, then I will have to repeat it. Second. So now let me just show you other things. Example, insert activity, new activity. Yeah, this word cloud is also very interesting. If we are now using for to brainstorm or come up with ideas or come up with some we want to identify some names. Why not? It will be good fun. Let me just show you. Let's play this. We just keep it open-ended. This good name. I'll insert. Now you can type whatever name it comes to your mind. Now let's see how it will pan out. Again, the address is the same. You just refresh it. You need not type again. It will ask, enter your response.
Good name for what?
Just randomly. I just put India. Now, imagine if 2 people type same name, look at India became bigger. That shows that is popular. Okay, so you can use this if depending, and also to see different opinions, which one has stronger opinion. The advantage is it can be anonymous also. That means they need not have to worry that their identity will be revealed. You can use it for to get the opinions that as well. So this is good fun. Look at how colorfully it comes and elegantly it comes. And good part, you can save this for later use as well and for sharing as well. So the power comes once you start using in your classes. So please use it, come back and let's discuss and see how effective or how different was it. Now look at the power. Thanks to COVID, now we are able to identify these things, even though these things were there all along. Now in the guise of online, we are exploring. Even when we go back to the physical schools, real school classrooms, I encourage you to continue using these tools. For example, if you have 50 students in your classroom sitting in front of you, whenever you ask somebody to raise your hand, they will be scared that they will be put on spot, so they will not come forward. Whereas this helps them to respond anonymously. So then they will come forward and you will get the real thing. The power of this will come when you are actually, you assess the effectiveness of how your teaching was. So whether they are understanding it, they are not understanding it, like that, it becomes very powerful tool. Then another very interesting thing is the next one. This one, leaderboard. Okay, the advantage with this leaderboard is if I ask you some question, then depending on who responds faster, they will get more points. Okay, I encourage you to try this out. This is also very easy and straightforward. Then after every question, it will show you who is leading, who is the top 5. It will keep showing the names. So then it will motivate the people to quickly respond and be attentive when you are teaching. So like this, this is very, very powerful. And good part is this is available free of cost, and any of you can try it. And it does not need any fancy hardware or software. All it needs a Chrome browser and a Google account. Any doubts in this?
No, sir, I have no doubt.
Okay. Okay, then I think it's 9 o'clock. We have spent 90 minutes. If you still have any question, do get back to me. I will respond on WhatsApp. So tomorrow, 11 o'clock, we are having session for the young students, young learners. Tomorrow we have an interesting guest from Germany. He is in 7th standard. He is going to join and teach us on how to use augmented reality and to create a simple game. So let's learn from the youngster how to about the technology, augmented reality, and what is augmented reality. He will do the live demonstration. He has already done the coding. Interestingly, that he has created a game which can be played multiple people can play, and and we will have people from different countries as well. So it will be interesting how people across the globe can join on that and play together.
Thank you so much, Kiran sir.
You're most welcome, ma'am.
Your every session gives us a new information, sir.
Yeah, thankfully, because of my job or my network, it naturally comes. So if more questions you ask, more information I can share without overwhelming. So Durvankar, I hope you enjoyed the session.
Yes, sir.
Sharda ma'am, did you receive the Raspberry Pis or?
No, sir, not today yet.
Yeah, most probably by Monday you might get it.
Oh, yeah. I will inform you, sir, whenever I will get.
Sure, sure.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then have a nice evening. And
Sir,
yeah,
this might not be related, but what do you think is a better choice, Word or Linux? Sorry, Windows or Linux?
there's absolutely, it's not a right comparison. It depends on the usage. For your information, Linux, everything is based on Linux. Linux was the first OS which was created. Windows, they made it more user friendly. But Linux is still very powerful, and there's a good user base. Good part is Linux does not have the overhead of antivirus and those things. So what do you want to do? Tell me that. Accordingly, I can suggest.
No, so I was just asking. So like I saw a few videos about Raspberry Pi and how you can install other operating systems on it. So it said how you can it has its own operating system. So you can have I forgot the name.
Raspbian.
Raspbian iOS, and you can install Word and
You cannot install Word. It's Open Office.
yeah, sorry, sir. Yeah, so how you could install these things. So I just thought I'll ask you.
Yeah, if you want to do Internet of Things and those hacks, then nothing compared to Raspberry Pi. Like I was showing you how you can easily do a very professional looking website. I just showed you, right? How we are using it.
Yes, sir.
So like that, only imagination is your limit. And we have done a lot of this home automation or industrial automation projects on using Raspberry Pi. It gets very powerful because of let me just show you that.
So like I saw a few videos in which you could attach separate parts to them. So like you
Yeah,
could attach a
these
speaker.
pins, what you are seeing, these 40 pins, this makes it very powerful, which does not have, your laptop or desktop does not have these pins. This is called the general purpose input output pins. Okay, these things you can control individually. Each pin you can write program to control. This becomes very powerful, and in fact you can create a full-fledged robot using this.
Yes, sir. There was also another video regarding how you could make your own functioning AI robot. So it would respond to your work and how you could attach a screen to it. It was pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, then see you tomorrow. Good night.
Yes, sir. Good night. Have a nice night.
Yeah, thanks. Bye-bye. ಶಿವಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್.
ತುಂಬಾ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫೈನ್ ಫೈನ್
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಬಹಳ ದಿವಸ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಕ್ಕಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾ ಹಾ
ಊರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ರಜೆಗಳಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇಂದ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ ಬೆಳಗಾಂ?
ಬಂದಿನಿ ಸರ್, ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇನೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್ ಅದಿನ್ನು.
ಸರಿ 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 ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ.
ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಗುಡ್ ನೈಟ್.
Session was very useful sir today.
Okay okay. Yeah, it will be useful. You have to make it useful because all the sessions I'm giving, I'm just answering whatever questions you're asking.
Right,
okay sir. Okay, Bharti ma'am, good night. Bye Sanam.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Yeah, good night. Good night, Sanam.
Good night, Kiran. Sorry.
Yeah, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Hey, I just want to, I know it's late for you. You talked about some new initiative or bigger initiative. Maybe tomorrow sometime you can talk.